So you've made the decision that you're going to exclude somebody from their inheritance. Congratulations, that's totally your prerogative, and nobody can tell you otherwise. So don't feel bad about it, but today I want to tell you how to do it. If you have any questions on this, you can email me directly or go to my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. Go to my website or go to the Contact Us page and schedule a free consultation. So how do you exclude somebody? How do you disinherit them? And really, it's very simple. You just put it down in writing what you want to have happen, and then we assume that if it's not part of what you want, then it's not going to happen. So, in other words, you can do whatever you want with your property. Do not let anybody tell you otherwise. You're not obligated to give $1 to your children. That's a terrible idea. I've made videos on that before. You're not obligated to give anything to anyone, including your wife, if you wanted to. However, there are some limitations when it comes to spouses, but either way, the point is you can write whatever you want down, and that is what is going to happen. So, if that's the case, let's say I have 3 children. Child C is going to get excluded. What do? In a trust, or in a will, really, what you do is you outline who your children are. So you state at the very beginning, I am married to this person and I have 3 children, A, B, C. And then in the distribution section, you say A is going to get half, B is going to get half. And that's it. You don't say anything else. You don't say C gets 0% because they're a terrible child who did not love me and they stole my lawnmower. You know, don't do that. And I've already made videos on emotional messages too, but at the end of the day, that is how you approach it. You just simply state what you want to have happen. If you're very, very clear and you state, yes, I know I have A, B, and C. I didn't forget any children. And very specifically say just A and just B receive 50-50, then that's it. And you'll have even backup situations where you say, if A passes away before me or B can't receive their inheritance for whatever reason, then we're going to specifically give everything to B's children or to A's children. You know, you can specify even backup situations where you give even stronger context clues that you do not want that child C to receive anything. Again, you have no obligation to your children. You have no obligation to anybody under the sun, except for in Texas, your spouse, of course. And I'll speak a little bit more to that. If you're trying to disinherit your spouse, which again, some people try to do this. They have an affair and they want to give everything to their lover instead of to their spouse. There are different laws out there, but essentially everything you own from before your marriage, you can do whatever you want with. So that can go to the lover. And then everything you acquired during your marriage, half of that can go to the lover, half of it can go to the spouse. Additionally, your spouse is welcome to decline receiving that and then receive what's called an elective share, where they say, you know what, instead of that, I'm receiving this. And under Texas law, there's an elective share that says if they elect this share, then they can live in the house until they're still, until they've passed away. They receive XYZ. So they have 2 options at that point if a spouse really dislikes the fact that you're giving everything to your lover. But that's literally just your spouse. That's it. Everyone else, including your children, grandchildren, best friends, everyone else, there is no obligation to give anything to them. So if you decide to exclude them, just simply state what you want and make sure you state, I know these people exist, but I'm only going to do this with my stuff. And that includes excluding people that I already know exist. So that's how you do it. Don't overthink it. Don't give $1. I've already given a video about that, but $1 is a terrible situation. Please, for the love of all that is good, do not do that. If you have any other questions on that, feel free to reach out to me. You can email me directly, Derek, D-E-R-E-K, at legionlawpllc.com, or you can find me on my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. Go to the Contact Us page and schedule a free consultation over the phone with me, and we can talk then. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.